Park Service and the Golden Gate National Parks Conservancy wish you a safe and enjoyable visit. Once again, safe and Alcatraz.
You're gonna take a picture with me and post the island?
Should I carry you?
I'll carry you.